All right, so you've seen how easy it is to use AI to do some pretty wild and pretty cool things. And especially with Xpura being pre-prompted, so you don't have to ask a really long question. And along with their support that can hold your hand and help you out a little bit when you're starting to use AI by actually using their help@xpura.ai email. But let's start talking about implementing this. So the first thing that I want you to do is just write down the 5 things that you do the most consistently throughout the day that involve writing of some sort. Now, from those, maybe pick 1 or 2 that you want to start with to see if AI can actually help you with those, if it can actually save you some time, or if there's just certain areas of your day that you just absolutely dread and don't want to be bothered with. That's a great place to start to implement AI into your day-to-day work life. And the reason this is so important to do right now and make this list right now is because you are fresh. Your AI knowledge is at its peak right now, and if you don't start to use it now, you might keep putting it off. And what I want you guys to avoid is being left behind with AI. And if you're able to actually start executing and start doing stuff today with it, and even if it's baby steps, and even if it's little processes, and it's only one thing that's on your to-do list today that AI helps you do, it's going to help you get in the right direction so you don't get left behind, and that so you stay ahead of the curve when everybody else is only hiring employees that use AI. Now, the easiest place where AI can actually help you is the mundane tasks that take a long time, like formally writing out an email response that we've talked about so many times now in this course, or even if it's just learning new topics, stuff that takes you quite a bit of time that can be just condensed into a few seconds of typing out one sentence. That's going to be the easiest way to start to leverage AI in your life. So look at your daily tasks, where you spend the most time during your workday, and start to incorporate it there. And I want to challenge you guys to do one thing with AI per day. Even at the end of the day, if you have not used AI for anything else, ask it to generate a recipe for you. Ask it to actually tell you a joke. Ask it to tell you something about a new topic that you have an interest in so you learn something at the end of the day. But the key thing is, one time per day, interact with it. One time per day, get some value out of it. And the more you use it, the more you're going to remember it. So when you're stuck trying to figure out that Excel sheet formula and you're banging your head against your desk because you can't figure it out, you're going to remember, oh, hey, why am I doing this? Why am I putting myself through this? And why am I not going to go ask an AI expert how to do this properly and quickly? As you continue to progress, reflect. Is AI really helping me here? Is it actually saving me some time? How can I ask a better question so next time I ask the question, I only have to give the original prompt rather than the prompt, wait for a response, and then give feedback? How can I do my prompts better? How can I do this better? Reflect and understand that it's a dance between you and AI. It isn't one or the other. AI is not replacing you. The more you can get along with it, the more productive you can become with it, the better you're going to be as a business owner, as an employee, whatever you are. It's just going to take time. And remember, mistakes happen and it's okay. AI is going to be one of the only things that will never judge you for making a mistake. So get in there and just start trying stuff out. And there's nothing that should be holding you back at this point. After these videos, you should feel like an expert. And in the next video, I'm going to get into a little bit more on the support if you guys do get stuck. So stick around and I'll see you in the next video.